Welcome back to Cultivating Contentment. So we are now on week 9, day 4 of our study, and our topic this week has been the source of contentment. Our scripture verse today is still John 17:8. For I gave them the words you gave me, and they accepted them. They knew with certainty that I came from you, and they believed that you sent me. My question today is, what did Jesus do with what he had received? And our quote for today comes from Patsy Clairmont. Christ offers us daily assistance, divine opportunities, and eternal provision. He also extends to us his word, which allows us to arch over the world's distorted mindset to receive the pure wisdom that is from above. I like that phrase, the world's distorted mindset, because it just seems like the cultural mindset just gets worse and worse every day. Like, when we were kids, there was absolute right and wrong on things. We had black and white. Now, things are just gray and muddy, and it's your truth. Whatever is your truth versus what's my truth. We seem to have kind of crossed over into something that is just kind of hard to define, morals, hard to define, expectations for our children. I see it every day in the classroom where, the kids have no concept a lot of times of what really is right and wrong, or why it's not okay to cheat, or why it's not okay to take somebody else's stuff. If they need it, then they take it. And so, it just seems like that we're getting that distorted mindset. So our question for today, first question, question 7, how does Ephesians 4:15 and 16 describe Jesus in relation to his people? And question 8, Paul hits this very theme again in Colossians 2:19. How does he describe the activities of Christ in our lives in this passage? So I look forward to your responses. Lauren, the birthday parade looked really fun. You guys planned some big things for your kids. That's pretty awesome. So, anyways, tell Jackson we said happy birthday. And let's see. So, I've been back to work this week, if you care to know that. I've been back up at the school every day. We're collecting textbooks and computers, and I just volunteer so that I can see the kids, and touch base with them and make sure they have a good summer and that they're safe. So that's been kind of fun. And then next week I start training right away for a new engineering class I'm teaching in the fall. So it's all going to be virtual. So I don't know how that's going to work, but it'll keep me busy. So have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.